Hello dear students, I am Sapna Blara. Today we will do the chapter The Midnight Visitor, written by Robert Arthur. Robert Arthur was a writer of speculative fiction. He wrote a number of mystery books. Arthur was honored twice by the Mystery Writer of America with an Eisner Award for Best Radio Drama. The story, The Midnight Visitor, is a convincing account of thrill and excitement involved in the field of spying. It also highlights the risk entailed in this profession and exhibits the danger encountered by the secret agents. The key to survival for these people rests on their wit, agility of mind, quick thinking, and perfect planning. Now, what is the theme of the chapter? The theme of the chapter is one should not be proud and must pay attention to the finer details before attempting to do anything. You have also heard the quote, pride comes before a fall. In the context of this chapter, Max was a spy agent who was overconfident and proud. He was very proudy. He believed in the power of gun. He had a pistol with him and he pointed out the pistol in front of Osable. He thought himself to be smart, active as compared to Osable, who was slow. When we come to Osable outwitted him without lifting a finger. He did not raise his finger. He used his presence of mind and misled Max. He turned all the situation in his favor by using his clever mind, ultimately forcing Max to jump to his death by taking the words spoken by Osable at face value. Though Max was having the gun and he pointed out that gun in front of Osable, but Osable was not nervous at that time. He was confident on him and he used his presence of mind at that time. He misled him. He told false stories in front of him and Max believed him, and that was the reason for his fall. A secret agent is a vigilant, alert, master planner and cool-headed and quick thinker. These are the qualities that a secret agent must have, because many situations came in front of him and he has to tackle with all the situation, and if he will not be alert, he will not be master planner, then he may be fail some problem there. Appearances are deceptive. We should not believe on appearance, because generally appearance befooled us. Never judge a book by its cover. This quote also you have heard, because by judging a book by its cover, we don't know what are the matters inside the book. When we go through the book, then only we came to know about whether the book is useful for you or it is only attractive book by the cover. You have to go through the book to see the matter. Osable was dull and boring, and this appearance misled Fowler in guessing his efficient as a spy. Osable was very chubby and fat and slow and dull also, and that's why Fowler misled his appearance and he thought that he was not a good spy. But later on he came to know about the truth that Osable was a very good agent. The message is also very important of this chapter. The main thing the author wants to convey is that quick wit, presence of mind and outsmarting others are cardinal, means main rule of successful spying. If you have these quality, you can befool others, you can make others believe on you also. You can cover the situations also by using your presence of mind. Absence of alternativeness and trust are fatal for this profession. You have to be alert. You have to be smart when you are dealing with the different kind of situations. Mac took the words Max took the words of Osable on their face value and did not verify about the balcony before jumping, and this proved to be the biggest and last mistake because of which he jumped to his death. One should not be believed on others without knowing about the person. Any person on any time, on any situation can be fooled you. So you have to trust on your own. The survival in spying depends on the mental alertness of a spy. Now the characters, there are 3 characters, 2 spies named Osable and Max, and 1 mystery writer, Fowler. Osable is a secret agent who does not look like one at all, but shows great presence of mind to outwit another secret agent. He was chubby, lethargic, messy, and clumsy man. But Max was a slender and rugged, means rough and sharp man. He was a rival secret agent who is befooled by Osable and falls to his death. Fowler was a young and romantic writer who wanted to write about Osable. This is, we have done theme, message, and character also. Theme and message you have to write down in your notebook from this video. The remaining story we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.